Hello, APSC PYQA Part A, Year 1997, Question number 1 to 21, Paper 1, General Studies. Hello, APSC PYQA Part A, Year 1997, Question number 1 to 21, Paper 1, General Studies. General Studies 1997. Question number 1. The Swarna Jayanti Award announced in the latest Union Budget will go to options A. Sportsmen, B. Social workers, C. Scientists, D. Defense personnel. The answer is C. Scientists. Question number 2. The first Prime Minister to have been born outside the existing boundaries of India was A. Lal Bahadur Shastri, B. V.P. Singh, C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, D. Inder Kumar Gujral. The answer is D. Inder Kumar Gujral. Question number 3. The Maulana Azad National Urban University will be set up at A. Hyderabad, B. Lucknow, C. Srinagar, D. Aligarh. The answer is A. Hyderabad. Question number 4. The two parties to the Kaveri water dispute are Kaveri water dispute. The A. Kerala and Karnataka, B. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala and Tamil Nadu, D. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The answer is D. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Question number 5. What does R stands for in FERA? A. Registration, B. Realization, C. Restriction, D. Regulation. The answer is D. Regulation. Question number 6. Sulabh International is a body related to A. Road construction, B. Laboratory reform, C. Bridge construction, D. Janata Saris. The answer is B. Laboratory reform. Question number 7. Who is known as father of the Indian cinema? A. Ardeshir Irani, B. Bimal Roy, C. N.G. Chitri, D. Dadasaheb Phalke. The answer is D. Dadasaheb Phalke. Question number 8. During the freedom movement of India, one revolutionary was sentenced to 100 years of rigorous imprisonment. He was A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Maulana Kalam Azad, D. Veer Savarkar. The answer is B. D. Veer Savarkar. Question number 9. Mother Teresa has been replaced by Sister Nirmala as head of Missionaries of Charity. Now, Sister Nirmala is known as A. Superior General, B. Sister Superior General, C. Mother Superior, D. Mother Nirmala Superior. The answer is C. Mother Superior. Question number 10. The World Economic Forum Summit 1997 meet at A. Washington, B. Tokyo, C. Davos, D. Manila. The answer is C. Davos. Question number 11. The single European currency to be launched by the European Union in 1999 is A. Venture, B. European dollar, C. European sterling, D. Euro. The answer is D. Euro. Question number 12. The Hollywood blockbuster Independence Day is directed by A. Roland Emmerich, B. Steven Seagal, C. Bruce Geller, D. Charles Lassell. The answer is A. Roland Emmerich. Question number 13. According to the UN report, the number of people mostly under age 25 newly infected with AIDS virus in 1996 is more than A. 3 million, B. 5 million, C. 1 million, D. 10 million. The answer is C. 1 million. Question number 14. The oil exporting countries have formed a trade association known as A. OPAL, B. OPEC, C. EFTA, D. COMECON. The answer is B. EC. Question number 15. In which of the following European cities the annual summit of the World Economic Forum WEF is held every year during January to February and is attended by a cross section of the world's business, political, academic, and media leaders? A. Zurich, B. Bonn, C. Paris, D. Davos. The answer is D. Davos. Question number 16. Examine the following statements. A. Security Council is an executive body of UNO. B. It was specially created to maintain peace and security in the world. C. Security Council consists of 15 members, 5 of whom are permanent and rest is non-permanent, elected from among the members of the General Assembly. The permanent members have veto power. The non-permanent members of the Council hold office for a period of 2 years. D. Recently, Germany, India and Japan have been made permanent member of the Security Council. Of these statements, A. Correct. Only C is correct. B, A and B are correct. C, A, B and C are correct. D, A, B, C and D correct. The correct answer is A. Only C is correct, which is Security Council consists of 15 members, 5 of whom are permanent and rest is non-permanent, elected from among the members of the General Assembly. The permanent members have veto power. The non-permanent members of the Council hold office for a period of 2 years. Question number 17. What is the total amount allotted to Assam for the 9th 5-year plan? The A. Rupees 4,532.60 crores. B. Rupees 6,100 crores. C. 8,983.93 crore. D. Rupees 9,838.83 crores. The answer is B. 61,000 crore. Question number 18. What is the name of the place in Tamil Nadu in which a temple was destroyed by fire and also killed many devotees in June 1997? A. Thanjavur. B. Tiruchirappalli. C. Kanchipuram. D. Rameswaram. The answer is B. Tiruchirappalli. Question number 19. Of the following countries, which one seceded from Soviet Union in 1991 but has now decided to merge with Russia? A. Latvia. B. Moldavia. C. Georgia. D. Belarus. The answer is D. Belarus. Question number 20. INSET 2D was recently launched successfully from A. Sriharikota. B. Guyana. C. French Guiana. D. Tiruvananthapuram. The correct answer is C. French Guiana. Question number 21. Which one of the following statements is not correct in connection with CTBT? A. It prohibits further nuclear testing on the Earth's surface. B. It does not say anything about nuclear testing being conducted in laboratory conditions. C. It in fact seek to restrict the spread of nuclear technology to non-nuclear states. D. It will not effectively put a stop to the spread of nuclear technology for peaceful purpose. The correct answer is B. It does not say anything about nuclear testing being conducted in laboratory conditions. Question number 21. Which one of the following statement is not correct in connection with CTBT? A. It prohibits further nuclear testing on the Earth's surface. B. It does not say anything about nuclear testing being conducted in laboratory conditions. C. It in fact seeks to restrict the spread of nuclear technology to non-nuclear states. D. It will not effectively put a stop to the spread of nuclear technology for peaceful purpose. The correct answer is B. It does not state anything about nuclear testing being conducted in laboratory conditions. Thank you for watching my video.